Hello friend, today we are going to download and install Next.js in our Windows machine. First of all, you have to open your favorite browser and you need to install first Node.js, and after that you need a code editor. You can either download VS Code or your favorite code editor. Now first we have to download Node.js download and hit enter. Here you can see the first link, just click here and see the installation option for Windows, macOS and source code. Okay, now I just click here to download the latest stable version. Okay, now here you can see it start downloading. Okay, now you can see it successfully installed. Now just click show in folder and just double click on it. It asks some question, just I minimize this and click on next. Click on, because I already installed, that's why it show me this. Okay, I just click repair, and in your case it will be installed. Okay, here you can see it successfully installed. Just click on finish. Now after this we have to install VS Code. I just type VS Code download and hit enter. You can see the first link, just click here and download for Windows, and if you are using macOS or Linux, just go for your option. Okay, now it's start downloading. You can see it is of 84.9 MB. It takes some time. Okay, now you can see it is successfully download. Just click show in folder and just double click on it, and after this I minimize this and this. Just I do accept, next. If this is not ticked, just take this option, and if you want desktop shortcut key, just click on this. I just don't want it, that's why I untick this, and now click on next. Click on install. It takes some time, and after that it will successfully install in our machine. Okay, now just click on finish. I just untick. If you want launch, just leave it as it is and click on finish. Now after this I create a folder, name Nextjs, and hit enter. And after this I open this folder, and here I type cmt and hit enter. You can see this folder is open in our cmd, and here we have to provide npx create -next -app, and after that provide the name of your application. I provide next app and hit enter. It takes some time, and after that it asks some question. Do you want TypeScript? Just click on yes. Would you like to use ESN? Just click on yes. Would you like to use Tailwind? Just yes. Just click on yes. Click on no, and click on import the aliases. Hit enter. Now our Next.js application is start installing. Okay, you can see our first Next.js application is successfully created. Okay, now after this I just cut this out. I open VS Code. Let's open the project that we create. Just click on open folder, and here just come to the desktop, and here you can see Next.js. Just open this folder. Okay, now just create terminal, new terminal. Now here we have to change the directory, cd next app, hit enter, and after that provide npm run dev and hit enter. You can see this is running successfully in port number 3000. Just go to this link it takes some time, and after that it load. You can see we successfully create our first Next.js application. Now after this, if you want to edit this, just come here and remove this all from here. Just provide main, and here we have to provide p tag hello Next.js, and let's save, and you can see it successfully run. Okay, so this is how you can download and install Next.js in your Windows machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.